Alrighty. Got them. 2 large pressed Cubans. Man, I can't wait to go and eat them. Woo-wee. That's my once a month treat. And nobody on the road. Oh, it makes it so much nicer. That Cuban shop is normally 10 people deep when you get in there. I always call ahead. And I was the first customer of the day at 11:20. That's not good for them. People are in shock or hungover. I'm sure they're hungover. Hurricane parties. I tried my best to have one last night. I just couldn't do it. Just couldn't do it. Too nervous. Had my last LASIK done Friday. I've got full vision, 100% at distance, but now I can't read the paper without glasses, and I'm not really sure that's what I wanted to do, so I go back to the doctor in 2 weeks. Are you fucking kidding me or what? Excuse my Florida French. I'm not sure they can go back in and do my LASIK over again or not, but I wasn't really happy with the way they did it. But I wore glasses before. I could definitely do it again just for reading, so. My distance stuff is good to go. My red dot in the scope, not so good, so I'm gonna have to go back to the old crosshairs. They never fail me in my eye, so. We'll figure it out. Ain't over yet, fat lady hasn't sung yet, so still might be good. You can see this road is just dark. The asphalt just sucking up all that rainwater. It was pretty bad here. Even though that storm was 100 miles offshore, the way the waves were going, spinning up to the, which would be up to the right, I was on the wrong side of that wave. My canal, guys, many of you guys have seen it in person and on videos, had 2 to 3 foot white caps running down the canal. It was a real mess. I didn't get the boat up high enough before the tide came in, so I had to go out there waist deep in the water, plug it in, and then had to plug the electrical cord on, or cord back in the garage on a 20 amp breaker, so I could get it up, because it kept it wouldn't let me get the lift up. It kept popping the fuse. Come on. These friggin' people, I swear to God. No clue. And if I was a cop for a day, I'd arrest them all. Put them on their knees and put them out of their misery. Because they can't be happy living like that. Let's see over here. Little road damage out here. Not so bad. See, here's still salt water from yesterday. We don't want to drive through that. We don't have to. People getting ready for work. Yeah, you can see the white water across the way now. Go across there. It's not happy. And this is all salt water over here. And we are not driving through the salt water, boys and girls. Not gonna happen. Not today, not tomorrow, not the next day. Ain't gonna happen. Now if I had a rental car or a fleet car, like this guy had his little fleet car, I'd be driving through all through that salt water. care. I could care less. They had a whatchamacallit over there, sandbag thing. You can see it. They take the road markers, the plastic ones, turn them upside down and put them in a ladder, and then you fill that, put a bag under it, and as people are shoveling, you're filling up sandbags. Works pretty good. Didn't need any at the house. Luckily, I see it's all calm now. That storm really took a lick from the far western shot where it zigzagged and came way back east. It really caught me off guard. I really wasn't watching the news yesterday, or I really should have been watching the news. Oh well, nothing lost. Nobody hurt. If we needed to get out of the house yesterday, we could get out of there really quick. My to-go bags were all set, ready to go. You know, Tigger, man, Tigger's like a pro in the rain. Rain don't bother her one bit. Just laying there like King Tut there, man, all relaxed. She's like a mini me of Mosley, old Matt and Sarah's cat. She's not as big as Mosby, but looks identical to Mosby. She can't scratch me anymore, but she can bite. Now look here already. High salt water. This was not here when I left today. Son of a gun. We're gonna have some fun down on the bayou. So here's what I do. You just walk through the water. Barely put water on my treads, because I'm not gonna go crazy washing today. It's gonna rain later today. Let that rain wash my truck off. I'll get on my island and I'm sure there'll be some water I can run through. Yeah, tide's coming up, damn it. Wow, it's really coming up. Oh boy. We're gonna have to get the garden hose out. We're in a foot of water. That's right to buy that house. Not knowing about all this water, I can't believe that. Damn. Those poor people. That water's a foot deep back there. I'll watch this guy in a BMW. Yep, he don't care. No idea what he's driving through. More salt water. What happens is the tide's coming up. The tide never left. So the tide's coming up, pushing the water in the drains. There's a drain right down here, and you can actually see the water percolating, coming up out of that drain. Slow down there, buddy. You see the tide's coming up. All this crap on the roads from the high tide. Whoa, here he comes. The garbage man. They are on their game. I bet we didn't put the trash out today. I forgot. Maybe the wife put it out. So this be the only high road in our neighborhood right there, in the hood, that didn't get bad. And you'll see my whole road here is dry. So I'm gonna have to do a little washing under my truck when I get home. Get the garden hose out and get it going, baby. Get it going. Can't complain. I'll fix my gate while I'm out there doing that anyway. After I eat lunch. Lunch is first. Man. I left the house at 8:30 this morning. Now it's 11:28. Yeah, so here you go. Look. Here's the only way out. Now, yesterday, I'm telling you, when my dock gets 1 foot of water, look at this guy here. You can see his dock right there. But the seawall is lower than the dock. And this is all salt water here. You can see it coming in. Bastards. This has been deep enough to run a jet ski across, run a boat across. Thought that was a 5-gallon bucket. I was gonna grab it. So here's a little bit of fresh water. I'll just get my right side of the truck done. Oh, here's a good one up here. I think I might come down here and yeah. I'm gonna do a turnaround and maybe not. Yeah, I'll do it right from here. I'll do it right from here. I had my guy cut my bush down a little bit too far, I think, this summer. Killed it, damn it. We're hoping it's gonna come back, but it don't look that good. It don't look that good for the captain, but we'll see. Yeah, there's some water up here. Anything that'll save me a little work will be just dandy. Dandy Andy. Where you going, honey? But she forgot her dog bag. She ran home and got a bag. Good for her. Nice neighbor. I like that. I've been known to bend down to assimilate that I had a bag in my hand and done the dip, gone for the dip, but never got it. Nice truck. I like to get one of those ones from U-Haul when they turn them in, 70,000 miles. But the only problem is they use V10s in the U-Haulers, no diesel. Now, where's this guy gonna go? All right. All right, we're going back to the house now. The truck is completely washed. We're done. That's all I need to do is get on the little bit of water on both sides. Oh yeah. That's enough for me. Time for a large Cuban and a cold beer. Oh, my flag got trashed. I just put a brand new one out last week on my dock. Heavens forbid. See if you can hear this. Nope. No noise. Lizzie is normally barking like a fool when I come home in the truck. She can't stand me parking this truck in her garage. Poor thing. Oh. Alright, I'll try to get this on video and let you guys see it later. What a mess.